Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to kick someone out of Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open your Clash of Clan app. Now click on this arrow which is at your left hand side corner. Click on your clan. Now click on My Clan button. Now select any player which you want to kick out of your clan. Now you will see 4 different options. Click on Kick Out button. Now this message will pop up. You basically need to confirm by clicking on Send button. So guys, this is how you kick someone out of your clan in Clash of Clan. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.